Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mindfully Kiki, and welcome to day 15 of Whole, our 21-day yoga journey. I am Kiki, your yoga and mindfulness instructor, and I'm here to help you add a little mindfulness into your life through yoga, meditations, self-care techniques, and more. So today is another mindful breathing day. So we are going to learn and explore box breathing. So what you may need for this practice is just a comfortable seat, and you can use whatever you need to enhance that seat. So whether you use a pillow, a blanket, or bolster, or block. So grab what you need and we will get started. So let's talk about box breathing for a moment. It is literally what it says. We are breathing literally in the shape of a box. So we are going to start with an inhale for the count of 4. Well, I'll start here. We'll start with the inhale for the count of 4. At the top of the breath, you're going to hold your breath for the count of 4. Exhale for the count of 4. Hold for the count of 4. So that's your box. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. That's our box breath. And it's as simple as that. It's a very calming breath to me. It also trains you to have a longer breath. So we're not just doing shallow breathing all the time. We're actually practicing full, complete breaths. So let's sit tall on our mat. And again, you can choose to have anything to enhance your seat. So if you like a pillow, a blanket, a bolster, or a block, you can sit up on that for this practice. So once you find that comfortable seat, go ahead and sit tall in your spine. Reach your shoulders up towards your ears and bring them down and back just to open. Sitting, reaching up through the crown of your head. And we're going to start with 3 regular breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Again, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. And then we're going into our box breath. So we're inhaling for the count of 4, holding for the count of 4, exhaling for the count of 4, and holding for the count of 4. We'll do that 3 times together. So readjusting your posture. And when you're ready, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Second round, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, and hold 2, 3, 4. And you can take an exhale in between just to reset. Last round, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, and hold 2, 3, 4. Just return back to your normal breath. On the next sets or the next rounds, we're going to do the box breath for the count of 4. And then we're going to do the next round for the count of 5. And the last round for the count of 6. So readjusting your posture, take a deep breath in. Open the mouth and exhale. And then we're starting our box breathing for the count of 4. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. And hold 2, 3, 4. Take a regular breath in between. All right, we're moving up to the count of 5. So let's inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5. Regular breath. Last round for 6. And it might be a little tricky on this one, but do the best that you can. So let's start with our box breathing. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And hold 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Take a regular breath. And sitting tall, that was our box breathing practice. And we're just going to end as we started with 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Again, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Last one, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. And that's it for day 15. And now I want to hear from you. How did you experience this breathing technique in your body today? Let's talk about it down in the comments. And this is a great time to reflect on this breathing practice, whether you take a few moments to think about it or whether you choose to write it down. And don't forget to check out my other yoga flows, meditations, and vlogs. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And always remember to add a little mindfulness into your life and be mindfully true, but most importantly, be mindfully you. I will see you all tomorrow for day 16 of our 21-day yoga journey.